Okay, so today we're gonna show you how to add a custom domain to a Bravemark project. This was a highly requested feature, and we launched it not long ago. So I think it's still quite new, and maybe some of you don't know how to set it up yet. So that's why I'm making this little video. It's not too complicated, but it might feel a bit technical for some people. But yeah, I mean, I'll show you the steps, and you'll see it's not that hard actually. So the one thing you will need to have is access to your domain DNS settings, and your Bravemark project. So okay, so I'm gonna give it to this brand kit template we have. So I go here to my projects. I click the contextual menu here with all these options, and at the bottom here we have add custom domain. So we want to click that, and then here you'll see you have the input to add your subdomain. So in this case we're going to add something like yoga template.bravemark.co. All right, this can be whatever domain you want, whatever, subdomain you want. So anyways, you add it there, and then you click the connect button, and here we'll give you the instructions. Create a CNAME record for yoga template.bravemark.co with the value sites.bravemark.co. So that's where it's going to point to render it. So all we need to do now is we go to our domain. I have it set up here, and we want to set up a new record. So it has to be a CNAME record, otherwise it won't work. Here in the host name, we add yoga templates. And that will be .bravemark.co. But since this is already, it's the domain, most of the times the host, you only need to add the first part of the subdomain. All right, but it depends a little bit on the domain provider. But yeah, I mean, you should look at how you have the other CNAMEs record set up, and then follow along that that path. All right, so we set that one up, and then we're gonna add the sites.bravemark.co here in the value, in the target. Then we click the Save Changes button, and you will see that now that is set up. We can now go back to our page, and this normally takes a little bit of time. So we have here a check connection button. You can click that and see if it's connected. So it still hasn't resolved, so we need to wait a little bit. Sometimes it's normally quite quick nowadays, but it may take up to 24 hours. Normally it doesn't in the next few minutes. So in the meantime, we wait. Here you can see we add a little icon here that says that you have a custom domain on that project. That's just for you to know where you have set custom domain on. So we have that. And we also have a disconnect domain here, so you can remove it at whatever time you want. And let's try and check the connection again. Okay, there it is. Domain successfully connected. And that's pretty much it. Now you can click on your subdomain. So let's click that. We open it up here, yogatemplate.bravemark.co, and you see that the page is connected to the subdomain. So that's about it. Super simple, really. If anyone has trouble, you can always contact us by email or on any of the social DMs. Happy to help you out there. What else? So yeah, custom domains. You get one custom domain for free on your Pro and Pro Plus account. And you will be able to add on more custom domains to your other projects very soon as well. So that's it.